Okay, hello student. Today we are going to discuss the remaining question of exercise 1.3. Okay, so the seventh question of this exercise is if x is equal to minus 2 by 3, y is equal to 1 by 4 and z is equal to minus 3 by 4, then verify that x in bracket y plus z is equal to xy plus yz. In case of solving this type of question, take this part as LHS, means left hand side, and this part as a right hand side. Means the thing whatever written in the left side of equal to is represent to LHS, and the thing whatever written at the right side of equal to is taken as RHS. So to solve this type of question, divide your page into two equal halves, and the left half is represent to LHS and the right half represent to RHS. So first of all, I am just writing the left LHS part in the left hand side and the RHS part at the RHS side. Okay. So left LHS is given as x plus x in bracket y plus z. So we have to write, put the value of x, y and z in LHS. So we have to just write the value of minus 2 by 3 as given here, and the value of y is equal to 1 by 4 and the z is equal to minus 3 by 4, like this. So there are different signs. So that's why we have to write this rational number inside a bracket. So what we get? We get that minus 2 by 3, 1 by 4. After opening this bracket, we get that plus into minus. So it becomes minus 3 by 4. Then this represents to minus 2 by 3. And these two have the same denominator, so LCM is 4. 1 into 4 1 ja 4 minus 3 into 4 1 ja 4, like this. So what we get? Minus 2 by 3 in bracket 1 into 1 become 1 minus 3 by 4. Okay, so it become minus 2 by 3. Nothing is given here, it means there is sign of multiplication. So we have to write the sign of multiplication. We studied in the previous class also that if two numbers have the different types of sign, then we have to subtract the smaller value from the bigger one. Okay, so 1 is going to subtract from 3, you will get 2, and the sign of bigger one, which is minus, so it becomes minus by 4. Okay, so here you can also divide these two. 2 1 are 2 and 2 2 are 4. Look here, there is a sign of multiplication, that's why we can divide them, these two numbers. Otherwise you can't divide. Okay, you can divide numerator and denominator like this, but you can't divide the cross way. Okay, so this becomes 2 1 are 2 and 2 1 are 2. Then what you get? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 into 1. So it becomes minus 1 into minus 1, as you know that one become plus or the positive 1 by 3. This is the value of left hand side. Okay, now we are going to solve the value of RHS. I am just writing the value of RHS, which is x, z. So here also put the value of x, y and z in RHS. Then what will get? X is equal to given minus 2 by 3. Nothing is given here in between them, it means there is sign of equal to. So 1 by 4 plus minus 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 4. Look here, there is sign of multiplication. So we can divide numerator and denominator cross way also. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. This one 3 1 ja 3 and 3 1 ja 3. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. Then what you will get? This is minus 1 into 1 become minus 1 and 3 into 2 become 6 and plus this minus 1 into minus 1 become plus 1 by 2. The LCM of, so this number have two different types of denominator, so you have to write that one. LCM of 6 and 2 equal to 6. Okay, is it clear? Now just take LCM as 6 minus 1 into 6 1 ja 6, so they are going to multiply by 1 plus 1 into 2 3 ja 6, and what you will get? Minus 1 into 1 become minus 1 plus 3 1 into 3 become 3 by 6. As we discuss here, that if there are two values have the different sign, that will be subtract the smaller value from the bigger one. So 1 is going to subtract from 3, then what you will get? 2, and the sign of bigger one. So this is positive. You can write the sign of positive or you can omit also. So leave. Okay, what you get? That this is 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6. And finally what will get? The RHS is also 1 by 3. So you can write like this. So after that one, so LHS is equal to RHS, which is verified. Okay, so pause the screen and write it. Look here, this question is also same like the question number 7. As this is the basic difference between the previous question, means question number 7, and this question is that there is sign of subtraction, means this is distributive method, multiplication over subtraction. Okay, or distributive properties of multiplication over subtraction. So to solving this type of exercise, we have to write, or we have to divide the screen or the page into two equal parts. The left one is represent to LHS, means left hand side, and the right part represent to RHS or right hand side. So we have to write the first of all question as A by B, C by D minus C by F. So as we solve the previous question, we have to write, put the value of A by B, C by D and E by F in LHS. Okay, so just put the values of A by B, C by D and E by F one by one as the given in the sequence. So A by B represent to 1 by 2 into this C by D represent to 3 by 4 and E by F represent to minus 3 by 5, like this. Okay, now you can write like that, 1 by 2 equal to, this represent to I am going to write 3 by 4, minus into minus become plus 3 by 5. Then you will get that 1 by 2 . LCM of 4 and 5 equal to 20. Then 1 by 2, these two have different denominator. That's why you have to find the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 5 is equal to 20. So 1 by 2, this one become 20, and 3 into 4 5 ja 20 plus 3 into 5 4 ja 20. Then what you'll get? You'll get that 1 by 2 into 5 3 ja 15 plus 4 3 ja 12 by 20 is equal to 1 by 2 into 27 by 20. Here is sign of multiplication. That's why we can multiply numerator to the numerator and the denominator to the denominator. Then finally what we'll get? That is 27 into 1 become 27 and 2 into 20 become 40. So what we get? LHS is equal to 27 by 40. Let's see, RHS is equal to 27 by 40 or not. Or this is satisfy or not. Or this is verify or not. Okay, let's see. Just write as given A by B into C by D minus A by B into E by F and put the value of A by B, C by D and E by F in RHS. Then what you will get? The value of A by B is given 1 by 2. So in this bracket A by B become 1 by 2. C by D is given 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into E by F is given minus 3 by 5. Okay. Now start to solve. There is sign of multiplication. So numerator going to multiply with the numerator and denominator can be multiplied with the denominator. Because there is no any common factor which can, or the number which can divide both numerator and denominator. Okay. So 1 into 3 become 3 by 4 into 2 become 8. Here minus 1, so it is minus 1. So minus 3 into 1 become minus 3 by 5 into 2 become 10. Okay. So after opening this bracket, what you will get? 3 by 8 plus 3 by 10. So both the denominator have a different value. Okay. So we have to get the LCM of 8 and 10, which is equal to 40. Okay, is equal to 40. So take a common LCM, which is 40. 3 into 8 5 ja 40 plus 3 into 10 4 ja 40. Then 5 3 ja 15 plus 4 3 ja 12 by 40. Then what you will get? 27 by 40. It means LHS is also 27 by 40. RHS is also 27 by 40. So LHS is equal to RHS. So we have to verify that. So finally verifying, you can write, or you will write verified. Okay. Pause the screen and write this one. Look here, question number 9. It's a word problem, so we have to write a statement also. Okay, as question is given, the length of a rectangle is 5 by 4 meter and base is 2 by 3 meter. Find the perimeter and area of rectangle. Okay, so as given, so first of all we have to write given. What is given? Length. We just denote length as L is equal to 1 by 4 meter, and or you can write that is equal to 5 4 ja or 4 5 ja 20 plus 1, which is 21 by 4 meter. Width represent to, or we will represent width as B, which is equal to 21 by 3 meter. So 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7 by 3 meter. Finally, we get the length is equal to 21 by 4 and width is equal to 7 by 3. Mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, then as you know that one, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 in bracket length plus width. So just write 2 and length is given 21 by 4 and width is given 7 by 3 and unit which is meter. Okay, then what we will get? 2 LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Okay, so it becomes 21 into 4 3 ja 12 plus 7 into 3 4 ja 12, this much meter. And finally you will get that one 2 inside the bracket, this becomes 63, 21 3 ja 63 and 4 7 ja 28 by 12 meter, which is equal to 2 into 6 plus 2 80 90 1 by 12 meter. You can divide these two, it becomes 6. Okay, it means the exact value of in the form of improper fraction, which is 91 by 6 meter. So if you divide that one, convert that one mixed fraction, what you will get? All the things, all the length and the width are given in the form of mixed fraction. So we have to find the value in the form of mixed fraction. So 6 1 ja 6, then what remains? 31. 6 5 ja 30. Then 1 by 6 meter. Okay? Write it, then we'll find the area of rectangle. Pause the screen and write. Then next one is area of rectangle. So we have to write area of rectangle is equal to, as you know that one, length into width. Length is given 21 by 4 into 7 by 3. This one is also meter and this one is also meter. So this becomes the meter square or the unit square. Okay. So 3 7 ja 21. You can divide that. So what will 7 7 ja 49 by 4 meter square. In the mixed fraction you can write 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 1 by 4 meter square. So area of rectangle is equal to 12 1 by 4 meter square. Write this one, pause the screen and write it. Look here, next question is, a car covers 65 km in 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 1 by 2 hour? So, you can write that one. 1 by 2 hours is equal to 2 2 is 4 plus 1 become 5 by 2. This is time. Okay. Next one is speed is given 65 kilometer in 1 hour, means 65 kilometer per hour, or by this much kilometer per hour, this much, yes sir, okay. And how much distance will it cover? So we have to find distance is not given, okay. So as you know that one, distance covered by car is equal to speed into time. Speed is given what? 65 kilometer per hour into time is given 5 by 2 hour. Okay. So as we discussed that one, we can cancel or divide denominator and numerator if there is sign of multiplication in between them, or directly numerator and denominator. So here is r, here is also r, it is going to be cancelled. Okay, and what you will get? Then 5 5 ja 25, carried 2, 6 5 ja 30, and these two become 32 by 2 kilometer is equal to, if you convert that one to mixed fraction, what you will get? 2 1 ja 2. This, if you remove 2 from here, means, or subtract 2 from 3, you will get 1. 1 and 2 become 12. Then 2 6 ja 12. Then 5. 2 2 ja 4. Then what remain? 1 by 2 kilometer. Means distance covered by car in 1 by 2 HR is equal to this much. Okay, write this one. All of you install software Zoom from Play Store. Okay, then we will try to continue the classes direct online. Okay, so install this one also. If there are any problem, you can ask in this number 82717069 and 9. Okay, pause the screen and write this one also.